Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. Yeah. All right. Today we are doing some unit rates. We are continuing with our proportional reasoning. Let's check out a problem. So here, this is what it's attached. Unit rates. Following as I read. Diet Coke was on sale last week. Hooray. It cost $10 for every 4 packs of Diet Coke. A, how much do 2 packs of Diet Coke cost? B, how much does 1 pack of Diet Coke cost? All right, let's answer this first. So we know that four packs of Diet Coke cost how much? $10, right? Or actually, this is probably better. So it's usually, the money's on the numerator usually. $10 for 4 packs. So A said how much for 2 packs? Packs and then X money here. So money across from money, packs across from packs. Good. Okay, so how much? Yeah, you could probably look, you just cut this in half, divide by 2, or times 2 this way. So what times 2 is 10, or 10 divided by 2 is what? Same thing. So that would be $5, right? Because you can cross multiply and divide if you want. But sometimes it's easier just to see the relationship between the numerator and denominator. So $5 for 2 packs. So this is your proportional reasoning. This is what we did last time. Now, if it's $10 for 4 packs, how much is it for 1 pack? This is the second part of the question. How much is it for 1 pack? Because if you just want 1, if it says this right by all the Diet Cokes, it's on sale, but I just want 1. How much is 1 going to cost me? Well, you can cut this in half also, right? So if this is for 2, then half of this would be 1, right? So that what's half of $5? That'd be $2.50. Or you can cross multiply if you don't know. So 4 times X is 4X. 10 times 1 is 10. And then 10 divided by 4 would be 2.5, but we're dealing with money, and so money has 2 decimal places. So it's $2.10, sorry, $2.50 for every pack of Diet Coke. What is this called right here? This is called a unit rate. Cool. What the hell is a unit rate? Let's write a definition. A unit rate is a comparison of 2 amounts with a denominator of 1. In this case, we have 1 pack. But the 1 is not written. Boop. Write that down, pause the video if you need. So this is $2.50 per pack. When you say per pack, we're talking about per 1 pack. So that 1 is not really there. So that's what a unit rate is. What's another example? Miles per gallon, yards per carry, beats per minute. All those things are a unit rate. Those are ejemplos. So now let's go a couple examples of these. Let's try it out. Here we go. So write each unit rate in lowest terms. We get A, B, C, D, and E. A, a health club charges $125 for 20 workouts. Find the unit rate in dollars per visit. When it says dollars per visit or workout, that means dollars per 1 visit. That's what it's talking about there. Okay, so let's start out. Number 1. So it's $125 for 20 workouts. That's the first ratio it gives you. That's not a unit rate because there's not 1 in the denominator. So, how much money for 1 workout or 1 visit to the gym? That's what you're trying to figure out. So, I can cross multiply if I want. 20 times X is 20X. 1 times 125 is 125. Divide by 20. Let's get our calculator. 1, turn it on first. 125 divided by 20 is $6.25 per visit. So X is $6.25 for every workout at the gym. And so for every one workout, that's what we're talking about. So this and this is the same thing. Okay? Wait, I just noticed something. You notice it too? Look, when I'm finding unit rate, like over 1, like these last two problems, you're just dividing the numerator and denominator, like 10 divided by 4, right? 10 divided by 4. And this was 125 divided by 20. So when I cross multiply, I'm just dividing the numerator by the denominator like that. That may come in handy. Let's try number 2, shall we? Boop. Let's read it, follow along. Dante drove 138 miles on 6 gallons of gas. Find the rate in miles per gallon of Dante's car. Cool. All right, let's try it. So it's 138 miles, write the first ratio first, on 6 gallons of gas. How many miles per 1 gallon? Okay, what you're doing here, you can cross multiply if you want, or you're just dividing this by this. So it's just X equals 138 divided by 6. You can take a little smart cut right there. Not a shortcut, but a smart cut as long as you know where it's from. If you always get confused, you always cross multiply and divide if you forget. So 138 divided by, 138 divided by 6 is 23. So Dante's car gets 23 miles for every 1 gallon, and that's the unit rate right there. Cool. All right, we have a few more to do. You have C, D, and E. Go ahead and knock those out. Obviously, D is miles per hour, and then E is going to be dollars per pound. Okay? C, D, and E, knock them out. Ready, set, go. All right, number 3. Let's see what you got. So negative 10 divided by 4. So it's negative 2.5 degrees per hour. This is the answer to number 3. Answer number 4 was 420 miles in 7 hours. Was 60 miles per hour. Doom. 5. Last but not least, we have $7.96 for 5 pounds, which is going to be $1.592 per pound. But that doesn't make sense because money doesn't have 3 decimal places. So I'm going to round here. So this is the last decimal place, and this is a 2, this thousandths place, and so I'm just going to keep it at $1.59 per pound. Like that. Cool. Nice job. Keep crushing. Knock out the next set of problems, and then go to the next video. Good work, everybody.